Hi everyone, so today I want to do an empties video because it is February 28th, it's the end of the month and I have used up a few products. I also want to do a quick update on things that I have bought this month. As you guys know, I am on a no/low buy. So basically this year I'm not buying anything unless I've completely run out of it. My main goals for the year, if you haven't seen my yearly goals video or if you watched it and you've forgotten, was to maintain my skincare routine because it was working really well for me, and maintain my everyday makeup routine because again it was working really well for me. I like the products and I find that when I try new things I'm just messing with something that's already working, so why mess with it? I am also currently 30 weeks pregnant, so that is another reason why I didn't want to try new things. I found products that were pregnancy safe and I just thought I am going to stick with them this year while I am pregnant and hopefully breastfeeding after the baby comes. So I'm not being adventurous and I'm trying to stick with things I have. So I did make one purchase. I completely ran out of my face serum. It's the Caudalie Premier Crew. I was gonna do a haul because I thought I bought something, I should do a haul, but then I thought it's just one product and I've reviewed it before in my skincare routine and talked about it. So I just posted a picture on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is the same name as this channel. It's just at Red Blue Ivory. Anyway, so that's the only thing I bought since January 1st. It is expensive. I was disappointed that I had run out, but I needed to buy it, or I wanted to buy it again because I ran out, so I did. And another thing that I had to buy this month, which really wasn't a glamorous purchase, was I did get severe eczema from pregnancy. They actually called it a top form eruption of pregnancy when I went to the dermatologist and got a biopsy and was diagnosed. They prescribed a bunch of two prescription cortisone creams and 2 antihistamines, which I didn't really feel comfortable taking. My doctor and the dermatologist that doesn't know me, it was kind of like a semi walk-in dermatology clinic, and my OB said that the dermatologist didn't know if they were safe, which I thought was weird. He told me to look it up and speak with my OB. My OB said they were safe. I still didn't feel comfortable using them, but he recommended an over-the-counter body moisturizer by Bioderma that was safe for newborns. So I used that religiously. I went through a whole bottle in a week and the eczema has really subsided. I do not look like I have a disease anymore. So that's good. I think I talked about that a little bit in my second trimester update video. But anyways, I'm gonna get into my empties now. I always put my empties in this Sephora bag that I got ages ago. So this is the Bioderma cream. I actually cut open the container, but this is the one the dermatologist recommended, and it is recommended by the by dermatologists, and up here it says the Eczema Society of Canada. So I got one of these at the dermatologist's office. They sold it. It was the same price as Shoppers. So I bought one there and I went through it in a week. And it's like a 16.7 fluid ounce container. I also cut it open and scooped every little bit out because it's not cheap. It's not ridiculously expensive, but it's $24.90 for this. So I wanted to get my money's worth because it wasn't an exciting purchase for me. Then the week after, I bought another one when I ran out and I used up all of that and I cut it open as well. I'm now on my 3rd bottle. I'm not needing as much as it's been about a month, I think, since I went to the dermatologist the first time and got that first cream. And so I think I'm about halfway through my 3rd bottle, and I previously had dry skin in pregnancy and I had bought a 3-pack of Aveeno lotion that I knew was safe for pregnancy. And so I have a bunch of Aveeno stuff and I like it. And that seems to be okay now that my skin has calmed down a bit, but when it was really bad, when I went to that dermatologist, it wasn't enough, and this was what I really needed. And this says that it is for atopic sensitive skin, which is what I apparently have. And it also says that it has skin barrier therapy, and that was what the dermatologist said, that my skin barrier was broken down, probably because my immune system was weakened from pregnancy. So that cream's amazing. It's a little bit pricey, I think, for just a plain unscented body lotion, but they do sell it at Shoppers, so at least I can get optimum points. Anyway, so I ran out of 2 of those this month alone. and another half a bottle actually is gone, so that's pretty crazy. I also ran out of my hair conditioner. This I didn't have to repurchase because I purchased a backup after Christmas with my gift cards, but this is my favorite deep conditioning mask. I use it whenever I wash my hair. Lately my hair's been amazing. Thank you pregnancy, I guess, and the cold weather. I have only had to wash my hair like twice a week and it looks like I just washed it every day, so that's really nice. And this conditioner is I always forget how to say it. I think it's Briogeo. They sell it at Sephora, and it's Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask with no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. I have the same size of this in my shower that I bought after Christmas with my gift cards, but in the future I noticed Sephora now has like a jumbo size. That's a better deal. So in the future I'll be buying the jumbo, I think. But I love this and I really recommend it, especially if you have long hair, because long hair, it can get damaged. It gets caught in your coats and zippers and everything. So I always like to use a repairing shampoo. This has a tiny little sliver of soap left in it. This is the Clinique Mild Bar Facial Soap. I was actually using this on my body for a while. I had it for my face from ages ago, and I had it in my bathroom, and when my skin started to get bad with the eczema in pregnancy, I was using it as a like body wash in the shower, and I think it was okay. But when I went to that dermatologist, he recommended a body wash oil cleanser from Bioderma. It comes in a big pump and it's yellow, and I've been using that, so that one's pretty much gone, so I thought I would just get rid of it. And I used up my facial moisturizer this month. I didn't have to repurchase this because a few weeks ago Shoppers Optimum had a redemption event, and so I got one of these for free with my points. So I've already got a backup, which was great. But this is the Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. I really like this. I kind of think that this isn't enough for me right now because my skin is getting drier with pregnancy. So I'm using just a bit more than I normally would, but I think probably I could be using the normal yellow Clinique cream because my skin is getting dry. But because I use essence and my serum and things like that, it's still working okay. But I think this is like the best moisturizer if you live somewhere humid or for the summer months. I really like that it's so lightweight. It feels like water going on your skin. It doesn't feel heavy at all. And just a couple more things. This is my Caudalie serum that I used up. I absolutely hate this packaging. This thing still feels so heavy. It's like it's full, but I did use it for over 4 months. So I know it is like out. Oh, I just realized when you look in the bottom, you can actually see inside of it. I didn't notice that before. That's helpful because I was kind of annoyed. I couldn't get the top off of it or anything. I thought I was running out a while ago, and then I kept pumping it and more came out. So I thought, okay, good. And then finally I fully ran out. And this is the Caudalie Premier Crew Serum. This is part of their anti-aging line, and it was recommended in the Sephora pregnancy skincare video, so that's why I tried it, and I really like it. And I ran out of it for about 4 or 5 days, and I noticed a difference, so I was glad that I ordered it from Sephora. Unfortunately, there was no coupon codes. I searched forever for a discount code, and there weren't any, and I know the next Sephora sale is not until April, so I just bit the bullet and bought it. I also just ran out of one of my eyebrow pencils. You guys know I love this one. It is the Marcel Nano Eyebrow Liner in the color Blonde. It matches my hair perfectly, and I already have a backup of this in my vanity, so I have to take it out and put it in my makeup bag. But I love this, and I ran out of another one. And last but not least, I ran out of the dental floss that I like. This is the Oral-B Glide 3D Whitening plus Scope Flavor Floss. This is like one of those silky, I can't pull any more out, but it's one of those like silky dental flosses, so it doesn't shred or anything. And I really like this because I had braces when I was younger, and so I have like the permanent retainer thing behind my front teeth, and because there's a little bit of metal in with that, sometimes it can shred dental floss, and this doesn't shred. So I really like this, and I had bought 2 of them before, so I still have one in my bathroom, so that was good too. So the only thing I had to buy this month was my ridiculous serum, so it wasn't too bad, but I still wish that my serum was cheaper or that I hadn't run out. But it wasn't too bad. That is everything for today. I hope you guys had a happy February, and we are finally in March. When I post this video, it'll be March 1st, so I'm so excited. I just want the time to fly by, and I want it to be May, so It's warm out and so my baby will be here. But that's everything. Please comment down below if you've used up products this month or if there's anything you would recommend to me. If you have dealt with like eczema or super dry skin in pregnancy or also just in the winter months or in life, please comment down below if you have any recommendations, because it's definitely something I have to continue to monitor and deal with, especially for the next 10 weeks left. And I think that's everything. I hope you guys are having a great day, and please give this video a thumbs up if you like my empties videos. And please click the subscribe button if you liked watching this video. I upload a video. I try to do more than one a week, but usually every Friday for sure. So you can always get a new video to watch on Fridays. I usually post them at 9 a.m. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.